What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Robbie Sucks. Today, I do have some updates. Real quick, I know a lot of y'all been asking, wondering where it is. Well, guess what? BSA is sitting right there. We're about ready to disassemble it and get it ready for paint. I'm excited. Videos to come. But right now, today,
the weather is sucking, and we're trying to get this truck fixed.
All right, the Dirtymaxxx got some lights out. We're going to change some lights, and I got some of the LEDs messed up. What are you doing? Oh, check it out. So you're tracking. This headlight's out. We're going to change it. But in order to change it, you got to take the grill off and get behind here. It's a whole process. But if you go to the opposite side, this LED bar seems to be flickering, is intermittent. So we're going to take a look at that wiring as well. Super windy outside, and the storm's coming. You need a cape? Cape? What?
Sheesh.
We're committed to getting these light bulbs changed. This is the old LED bulb. I'm pretty sure the fan died in it, so when it overheats, it shuts off. I do have new ones, and we're going to get it installed.
Before Beer 30.
Jody, Beer 30. Woo! Alright guys, so the light bulbs that I chose to use for the replacement are these. Boom! What are these called? Ox beam!
LED lights.
These are LED. Everything you got! Okay.
Yeah, don't worry about that, guys.
Don't worry about that. These come highly recommended on Amazon. They've got the little fans on the top there to keep the LEDs cool. Pretty sure that's what happened with my old light, is the fan decided to die, and it just, every time it overheated, it would just shut off. But we've got these installed. We're into a slight snag though. They don't come with extensions. Lucky for me, I have extensions left over from the last time I did lights, so we're going to install those and make sure these work. Snag, right? So this little ring here that sits into the light housing is actually different. Even though when I put this into the website, they said it was for my make and model. This is a little bit different. But if you look right here, this has a set screw. We're going to try to change this out with the old ones to see if that fits inside the new light housing. As you can see, just like that. And once we can swap this out, we should be able to put these installed. Small snag, but not the end of the world.
Yeah. Not the first time.
Abracadabra.
Look at him. Focused.
Well, that's true. Damn it! I'm on a baby. Is the tiny screwdriver you got?
Stick it in there. Get it in there.
I did it!
Yeah. Everything you got. Everything you got. Everything you got.
Well, as you can see, mission success.
Yes.
We got the old light working. We ended up figuring out how to get that installed. There it is. Look at that guy. Where is it at? Let me see. There it is. There it is. Boop, 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 doop, boop. Do that again. What?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What?
So that's gonna do it for today's episode of Robbie Sucks. I'm gonna go ahead and help these guys get this thing put back together, but the lights work, and we're gonna finish up here. I love you guys. Hit up RobbieSucksStore.com to help support the channel. We've got big things coming. I'm excited. You should be excited. You should be excited for us. I'm excited for you and all your future endeavors. What am I doing with this? Guys, I've had too much to drink. What's going on, brothers and sisters? Welcome back to another episode.